Hello everyone, Dr. Jerry coming back at you. A little bit of a glare because I'm wearing that. So we're doing a review today. It's the Superman Blizzard, the actual one. Paid me $7 for this. There's a whole bunch of stuff in it. I don't know what, but as you can see, it's like candy type of stuff, right? So anyway, let's check this out. $7 for a small sundae, better be fucking good. I usually would, but then I'll kind of spoil. It's alright. Smells good. Smells like pico or something. Alright, let's give this a shot. Whole bunch of sprinkles, blue ice cream, some food coloring stuff. Who knows? Let's see what we got. Hmm. How much is the blue? That's probably why they call it the Superman. There's a lot of blue. That's me. I don't know what they are. Fucking sort of puff, cocoa puff cereal thing. I don't know. Cookie dough. Mmm. Cookie dough ball. It's not bad. It's not the best damn ice cream I've ever fucking had, but this is good. To me, $7. This is really, really thick. As you look, put it upside down for fuck's sake. So, see? It's thick. It will fill you. I've been 3 or 4 bites in already, and it is thick. Mm. Cookie dough ball. It's very sugary, sweet, tastes good. I like the uniqueness promoting Superman coming out on July 11th. Um, I don't know. The average Blizzard, I'll pass. I'll give it a 7. 7 out of 10. It's alright. Superman Blizzard. A little pricey, $7 for a small, but it's got a quick snack. This will fill you up. Surprisingly, it would. It's very heavy and thick. Cheers.